First of all, today's English spoken class. Let's go start. I am Nafisa. আমি হলাম নাফিসা। I am a student. আমি হলাম একজন ছাত্র। I go to school. আমি স্কুলে যাই। I eat rice. আমি ভাত খাই। Then for example, this is pen. This is pen. This is pen. Uh, this is pen. Then this is pen. This is pen. That is pen. These are pen. These are pen. Those are pen. For example, singular or plural contraction use it similarly. For otherwise, this is a dog. This is a dog. That is a dog. Nearly, for example, this is a dog. For far, that is a dog. For nearly, for example, these are dog. For far, for example, those are dog. For easily you understand this topic, contract for be verb and subject use. For others, you imagine for a picture, that's you attention for the picture, then one a paragraph for 5 or 6 sentence you make ensure for are you are right summary. Then let's start. We are trying to that's its topic. In the picture there is a playground. There is a playground. Then there is a slide. There is a slide. There are two swings. There are two swings. Then it's a blackboard for imagine you will. Then there are two benches. There are two benches. There are two fancy. There are two fancy. There are 12 trees. For on the other hand, in the place there are four boys. For example, you mean for blackboard four boys. Then for strength, then you will decide the first boy wearing a green t-shirt and blue pants. Then the second boy wearing a red t-shirt and short pants. The third boy wearing a blue t-shirt and black pants. For on the other hand, fourth boy, or you can use the stand in the picture. The last boy wearing a white t-shirt and uh, black pen. It's for easy to English journey. Then I can or we can for it's make ensure this English sentence making. So now trying I am trying all about class 2 summary and to preview this topic. So let's start. Basically, English communication skill you can growth up. First, you will make ensure something English word to memorize. Basically, then first topic article. First topic article. First topic you have to learn article. You have to learn article, or you have to learn article for a and the. For example, he is a stu- student. For example, as a article a, because student for start alphabet yes. Then beginner, you will know alphabet, then consonant 21 and vowel a, uh, e, I, o, u, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 you learn firstly, then you will vowel use, then exam, an exam, egg, an egg, for you will use. Then for rightly, true, this for true use. For example, true using the, for example, the sun, the moon, the work you can use article the. It you I hope you can easily this topic article. So our next topic for something English word, basically a for apple, then x, ant, and etc, then ball, book, uh, book, bookshop. For easily you can memorize uh, uh, for our daily for our daily common English word, uh, using that you can learn or collect, then that's word memorize, then you are easily English learning. Then your next topic too, for easy topic, your sentence making part rules, you learn. For example, am I am dash. For example, I am a student. I am a student. On the other hand, others English word rules. Am a I am a student. I am a student. Uh, also other, for example, I bar plus past. I can previous our work, for I would work complete. I can. It's a easily topic to describe, or I write past tense. Then I we can went I went to school. I went to school. Then want. I want. I want a car. Then I want to. I want to study. I want to study. Then I have you have, he has, he has. For three part for similar, then you can change subject, then you will choose properly verb use. Then he has a big home. He has to, he has to, he has to read, he has to read, he has to, he has to exam to mo tomorrow, tomorrow. He has to exam, he has to uh, exam tomorrow. That's you can learn easily topic, that's you can understand. I am suggest this rule easily, and make a more practice, then good to perform your English communication skill growth up. So then your topic, you learn person. Person basically first person, I, we, I, we. Then singular, then plural person. For second person, you. Third person, he, she, he, she. Korim, it eats. Then you can person properly use for other sense. You can make a story. You can make a story. For example, I am a tea. I am a teacher. I go to college. I go to college. Then I learn. I teach. I I teach. I teach. I am teach the learn. I am teach the learn. Then you can easily it's a topic to you learn a story for you make sure. Thank you all.